To the Data Channel once again, where we talk about data science, productivity, and faith. Alright, so in this video, this is the part 4 of our beginner series for SQL. We've talked about several concepts. You can check the video in the link in the description above and below. So today we'll be talking about the group by and the order by clause, and then we'll attempt to look at these questions, and then we'll go to intermediate. Alright, so I'll start by explaining the group by, and I'll say the group by is almost like the distinct, right? So let's say let's do select star from projects, the database, the data set or data table we have been using, third data. So let's run this. Projects, okay, should be an S. Okay, so we have the table data, views, title, links, like, state given, and author. So your group by is just like distinct. So let's say select distinct, select distinct, let's do distinct dates given from our table. It gives us all the unique dates, months and year, unique, that don't appear twice, unique, and we have about 200 rows returned. Now let's look at the group by. Let's say select date given, count star, let's see, as let's just call it number, but then learn to use them descriptive things. And then we'll say group by date given. So let's run this query. So we have all the unique dates, 200 rows, and how many times they occur in our table. So that's the group by. The group by groups by whatever column you ask it to group by. It aggregates all those rows into it. Initially we saw distinct. Distinct just give us all the unique rows, but we don't know that within a unique row like December 21, there are 31 other rows that are within it. That's really what the group by is like. Yeah, that's really what the group by is. Then the order by is for sorting. Is what you use to sort. So let's say we want to sort this by number. So you say order by number. That's the so this count star as number is that it's counting all the rows that have December 21 as the date given. It's counting all the rows that have February 2022 as the date given. I don't know if we get it right. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. And then order by number. Okay, so we can see that it has sorted this. So SQL by default does smallest to largest. So let's do descending from largest to smallest. So we see that the highest number of talks given was in April 2018. So this is really what your group by clause and your order by clause is. Alright, so let's attempt these questions, and then we'll put into practice all we've learned so far. Alright, so the first one says find the most popular TED Talk. So let's define the most popular TED Talk as the TED Talk that has the highest number of views, right? So let's say select title, views. How do we do this now? From project .ted data. Then we'll need a group by actually. So let's say title, highest number of views, one views as well. Count star. No, don't need to count star. Let's group by views and title. Group by title and views. Let's see. Okay. let's order by views, biggest to largest, and let's limit 1 because one is the highest number, so we limit 1. All right, so it gives us the what's it called, the TED talk with the highest number of view, which is the most popular. So let's say we limit 5, so you can see that it shows us from highest to title. So we see this about how many millions? It's about 72 million. About 72 million. Yeah. So that's that we've done the first problem. Yeah. Okay. And then so let's move to the second one. It says finding the most popular TED talk based on find the most popular TED talk speaker in terms of number of talks. All right. This is for this. TED talk speaker based on number of. Where is that question? Let me just put it here. Okay, find the most popular TED talk speaker in terms of number of talks. Okay, so we want to find the TED talk speaker that has the most popular TED talk speaker based on how many talks he has given. So we'll probably be grouping by author and title. So let's say select author because that's I look for the most popular speaker. Select author. Let's say title. From projects TED data group by what? Author and title, and let's see that first. Okay, so let's see a count. Let's add a count, right? Count. Count star as talk. So let's see what we have here. Okay, let's order by and see what we have. Order by talks from biggest to smallest. This is not correct. This is not correct. So it's giving us okay. Oh yeah, we don't need the title actually. We just get the author and the talks, and so group that. Yeah, we don't need that. So let's see. Okay, yeah, perfect. This is what we want. So we see that the most popular TED talk speaker based on number of talks he has given is Alex Gandler. He has about 45 talks to his name because he appears 45 times in these data sets as an author. And then we have the month-wise analysis of TED Talk. So we want to group TED Talk based on the months they were given. So let's say select date given. Select date given. Yeah. So let's do count star. Let's call it as given. From projects. The TED data group by given. Let's order by given as well. Order by given. So learn to use descriptive names, so don't mind me. Order by given, so that when you see it next time you can make sense of whatever you're doing, or if someone is reading your code for modeling, they can make sense of it. Okay, what's up? Can't group by given. Group by date given, sorry. Date given. Okay, so we see that month-wise analysis. We can see this month-wise analysis. Something we can do is that perhaps I'll just export all this all these files and probably do something with them on Tableau. So this date given, I think I did something on Tableau, something like this here. So if you can see a description of all the dates, how many titles were given per per period. This is with Tableau. Um, we see April 2018 has the highest of TED Talks. Yeah, so perhaps we can just export this and export the data file, the CSV file, and then play with them, do some visualization with them on Tableau. So find your TED Talk, find TED Talks of your favorite author. So if you have a favorite author, I don't have a favorite author, you can just find your TED Talks. Yeah, so you can do that by yourself. So let's say finding TED Talks based on tagline like climate. So yeah, we use the conditional operator. So let's say select title, select author, give us the date given as well, from projects, dot dead data, where, so we're using a filter where title, like, so we are going to use a wildcard. So we are telling it that wherever you see climate inside the title, whether in the front or in the back or in the beginning, give that to us. Where title is like climate, using the wildcard, that's the percentage. Okay, or not. Oh, projects, it should be projects, David. Okay, yeah, so these are all the talks about 91 rows were returned. Yeah, that have climate, something to do with climate. Yeah, quite interesting. Let's group by date giving and see if there are more climate change talks in a particular at a particular time. Okay, group by title and author. All ones. Okay, this is not what I wanted, but then let's move on. Okay, the next question says find the most popular TED Talk speaker in terms of number of views. So I think we've done something like this earlier on based on number of views. So you can try this out yourself based on number of views. TED Talk speaker based on number of views. What would that be? Let me put my semicolon here. Okay. Okay, based on number of views, most popular TED Talk speaker. So we're selecting speaker or author. Yeah. We're selecting views from projects dot dead data projects. So let's group by views. Let's see. Okay. Let's order by views from biggest to smallest. Let's limit one. Yeah. So we can see that Sir Ken Robinson is the most popular TED Talk speaker in terms of number of views. Yeah, so come to the end of the beginner class. So we'll continue with the intermediate and then the advanced, where we'll look at key statements, window functions and other stuff like that, and joins as well, right? So keep on learning SQL till we meet in the next video. All right, cheers.